Hello, traders. Happy New Year 2026. First stream, first proper trading week of the year. Welcome to the stream, guys. Just a disclosure, whatever me and Amin we are doing in here, this is just for entertainment. Please do not copy our trades. Do not copy anything that we're doing in here. Always use your own risk approach, your analysis. So we are just here to have some fun. Let's chat about the charts. Let's see what 2026 has in store. So yeah, my name is Anna. That's Amin. We are going to scalp, I think. What do you think, Amin? Are you ready to scalp in this new year?
Yeah, I will
Yeah.
try. Hello
Okay.
to Miss.
Great. I know.
Rob.
We need to get started. Right, guys, just the big news here. The big news is that we now have launched MT5. So now at Leveraged, you can have also MetaTrader 5 platform. It is really something that traders have waited for a very, very long time. So now officially, guys, we are offering MT5 and CTrader. And because we're offering MT5, me and Amin, we love CTrader, but we're going to trade on MT5. Okay, so we're going to trade on
Just for you
MT5.
guys. Just for you.
Just for y'all. Just for y'all. So yeah, thank you so much for joining in, you guys. Happy New Year to all of you. So yeah, and we have Miss Piggy, Boo, and we have Rob. I'm no Grandmaster's chest, only the market's more so far now. Sure, Anna and Amin could beat me. Yeah, well, I love chess a little bit, like a little bit, but not like a lot. I love chess.
Every day I beat Rob.
Every day. Miss Peggy from the Brazil. Hey, good to have you here.
To Brazil.
Brazil. Let's go. Okay, you guys. So what are we gonna do? What is it that you would like us to trade starting the new year? Should we go for Forex? Should we go for gold? What is it that you want to see? Or should we go to Bitcoin? Because you know what Amin does when there is nothing on the charts, he's gonna go for Bitcoin. He's gonna be like, yay, do something.
It's my flavor, you know.
It is. So I mean, what do you think? What do you think? What are you thinking?
I would like to go to Bitcoin, but the rule is always to start with gold. So I took a trade already a few minutes ago. There we had a level. Let me show you on 30-minute time frame. We have a very nice key level. We broke it up, and boom, we had a bounce like a few minutes ago, and I just catch it the bounce there on 5 minutes time frame. As you can see, entry there, take profit there, easy win, small scalp, fast in 5 minutes time frame, and now it's bouncing. So what we can expect is to, if we have a nice wick there, I will be selling, but I need a bounce, but it's not bouncing. It's only going up, sadly, guys. So I have to wait for the next level. Okay, I have to wait for the next level at the top. There we'll catch it for a sell.
Yeah, I really like the idea as well. So I'm going to share my ugly charts now, you guys. Okay, so sorry about this, but this is my ugly chart here. So we can see gold. This is 15 minutes, right? And on 15 minutes, it's just like a top-down analysis a little bit. So on the 4 hours, we are obviously moving now bullish, right? Because we had this big bearish fill. Then you can say almost this is like a double bottom in here. And now we have taken these highs and now we're moving bullish. Okay, now going lower on 15 minutes, you can see actually we gapped up and we started, with the bullish momentum. So we reached the highs and then we pulled back. And this was actually a really nice area in here. Oh my goodness, I haven't used this for so long. I'm like looking for my rectangle, but I
it's like we are old, guys. We are old, and we need some warm up.
We do, we
Like
do, we do
when you
need some.
return to biking, return to
I
biking
know,
after a long time.
I know, I know. Object.
Anita,
We're gonna add object shapes rectangle. Okay, I got it. I got it. So this one and oh, this is so ugly.
ugly.
Okay.
This is ugly. Yeah, you see, this is.
Eh,
I can be. It can be better. I tried, but I can't. It's the maximum. Can you imagine? This is the maximum beauty of rectangles. Wow.
I know. Wait. Let me figure this out. Let me figure this out. Okay. Let me figure it out. I'm going to do this. Then we're gonna put it just a bit fatter. Okay, like that. So this is my rectangle here. And basically, if you go to 1 minute, then what's happening in here is that obviously I was looking for more of a bullish momentum. And as you can see, I mean,
Nice.
literally caught that trade from this area, nice support area. And now we're going,
Two sniper
higher.
guys.
The sniper, definitely, he was definitely a sniper. So I did not enter, but if I would have entered, then I also would have taken a buy in here and my profit would have been in here. So I would have targeted this and that means I would have reached the profit. But you know what it is, shoulda, coulda, woulda doesn't count. So
Yeah,
we're not going to
that's
start with
true.
that. So yeah, but you know what I'm also thinking, we could try and catch also some sales on like smaller pullbacks. I think that's also is fine. We just need to figure out where would we try and sell. So yeah, maybe like I think this could be also like a good area to try and sell. Can I copy my rectangles?
Yeah.
Can I? Let me see.
I don't know about that.
Oh, you can't. Yeah.
Right click.
Copy.
You can't.
Right click.
You can't. You expect too much from it.
Oh my goodness. I can't. Okay. So we need to add another. You guys, it's gonna take some time. Like, honestly, hands up. Who's trading with MT5 instead of C Trader? Who's trading with MT5?
Not me, that's for sure.
No, not me. Not me. But MT5 is a really popular platform. I do understand it's really hard to go back, it's really hard to break the habit that you have. And if you have been used to trading with MT5, obviously you will want to trade with it. So anyhow, I think we could try and enter the trade in here. Let's take, oh wait, I accept these terms. Let me try and take, first trade of the year. So I am adding my stops above here. That's about like 0.2% risk. And I'm only going to target, I don't know what to target, like probably just above this one here, right? So that's something that I want to do. So yeah, we'll see. But we have taken our first trade of the year. Amin is off. I don't know what happened to him, but he's off. And we have taken the first trade. Rob says, I just had to do something back now. I will send you a message on Discord how to get rectangles better, Anna, and find you. See my comments. Find you, see my comment. Okay, thank you. That would be great. So please, yes, DM me on the Discord and teach me how to do better rectangles on CTrader. So anyhow, I think this trade is also a really good trade. Like I said, I think so many times traders are scared. If our bias are bullish, then we are scared to go bearish. But the thing is, I'm not saying I'm bearish on gold. I'm just saying that I see there is a potential for a pullback. So when I say a pullback, that doesn't mean the market is changing and now I'm like suddenly I'm bearish. I'm still bullish, but I think there was opportunity for the price to go lower, right? So for the pullback, and obviously we do see this is failing miserably. If I zoom in here, you can see that my idea is not working currently, and I'm really, really close to. Actually, I was just stopped out. So first trade of the 2026 is a loser, but it's okay. We learn, and we adjust. And the thing is, what am I going to adjust to? I am going to be a buyer now because look at that. This was taken. We are moving with the bullish momentum. we took these highs in here, and now I can be a buyer and say, I want to buy. So basically my idea now is that price is going to continue to push higher, and we are going to go bullish. So that is my idea. I just need to wait and see how this candle closure will happen. Okay, we closed. I would like to see a little pullback here, but looks like we're not going to get it. And the price is just going to, shoot higher, which is a shame. Would be so nice to get in here. So yeah, and that's gold. That's gold, you guys. When gold moves, it moves. It's normal. It is like that. So maybe it's going to give me an opportunity to get in, and I think I'm going to take it. So I'm going to get an opportunity to get in the trade. I would like it to be below these. Actually, let me zoom in a little bit. Right. So just below these wicks here, right? Just below these wicks is what I want. Okay. And then we are going to target, I have quite a big, it's quite a big distance. So to make it 1-to-1, I almost need to target the previous high, which is not ideal. Right. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it in here. Right. Let's see if the price can push bullish. I meant my comment before I message you. Okay. Awesome. Right. I will definitely check your Discord message. The only thing is I need to search for it. I'll need to look for it. That's okay. So yeah, let's see if I'm going to be wrong 2 times or just 1. That's the beauty of trading. I think that's also beauty of scalping, is that, like I said before, we need to learn to try and not to get stuck with our bias. Obviously, gold is bullish, but that doesn't mean that we cannot look for sales. And I think it's actually healthy to be able to see the market in both directions, because if you don't, then what happens is then you're just marrying one trade, or you're just marrying one bias. And while I'm talking about that, look at that. I mean, it's back in studio, back in live
How are you
stream.
doing?
We're doing not so bad, not so bad.
Ugly that it crashed my connection.
MT5 is so
I'm
ugly that
kidding,
it crashed. But you guys, the thing also about the MT5, we all have preferences. I prefer C Trader, Amin prefers C Trader, but we do understand that so many traders are preferring their MT5s. And I know so many of you have, your own way. And I think as a company, we really want to give the best to the trader. So if you have asked us for like such a long time, like almost like more than a half a year, I believe, you just asked for the MT5, and finally we start the 2026 fresh with MT5, and it's great. So yeah, and you can now purchase any accounts and choose either C Trader or the MT5. So yeah, but by the way, I mean, while you were gone, I lost a trade. I took a loss because I was trying to sell on that resistance there. And as you can see, it didn't go well. I was stopped out. But I was very quick to switch my bias, and I went with this break, and now I'm into the buy. So that's what I'm saying. I'm either going to have 2 losses and start my year on a losing streak, or I'm going to have some winners. So, and I think we could potentially go bullish from here with that nice break of the structure. So yeah, that's my thinking. What are you thinking, Amin? What are you doing? Do you have any trades open, or are you looking for anything?
The nice trade there, and now I'm waiting for the higher weight, guys. I have to see where I have to zoom out there. I forgot. So there, I need the price to go there for a sell. Only then I will be happy, guys.
Mm-hmm. So wait, are you looking to sell gold, or you think it's going to keep on going bullish? I mean, are you going to sell, or you think it's going to go bullish?
If the price drop, I'm gonna buy, but at the bounce level, either there or on the 50 MA. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If If not, I will take the sell at this area, at this level. That's it for me. So for now,
Okay.
it's wait and see. We are in the middle. It's kind of the pain. So for me, I'm expecting a pullback because it did a nice bounce, strong. So I'm expecting a pullback and then going up. This is what
Yeah.
trying to. Okay. So we're dropping now.
Mhm.
For me, I will be trying to aim this level or the 50 MA. We bounce, and this is where I take the buy, and I will sell at the top. There, not before.
Okay.
Because
So
yeah,
I
it's very
bought.
tempting to sell at intermediate levels, but the win rate is just smaller. I mean,
Mhm.
yeah, there is less probabilities to bounce on an intermediate level than a strong key higher levels. But you need to wait more.
Yeah, and it looks like I bought maybe a bit too early. Or if I do see the price now going bullish, though, I think we could go higher then. So, and everything's going to be fine, and I'm not going to be stopped out twice. So, but yeah, we'll see.
So
We will see if
for me,
that's going to be the
it
case.
took the buy nicely because it break very nicely the level. So it was a nice
Yeah,
breaking candle, and yeah, it was a nice place to take the break for the upside.
yeah.
Yeah, it's
Uh,
scalp. You don't aim for big, so it's good scalp.
mhm.
We broke a level, and boom.
Yeah. Well, guys, it looks like I'm in trouble. Looks like I'm in trouble with gold. Gold is not willing to go bullish from here. So I really need to see some bullish candles if I want to survive this. So by the way, just to remind you, this is where I took the trade. So I took it in here based on this bullish break, the price pulled. So now, I really want to see that we're going to continue that bullish move. If we can, then obviously it's great. If we can't, I was just unlucky with my analysis, and that's okay. That's how it happens, and that's why we need to use a proper risk management. I'm just risking around 0.20% per trade anyway, so I'm fine. I'm fine with that. I have 10% overall drawdown because this is senior account, so I have a lot of lives or like a lot of tries, right? So I can try many times until I'm going to be taken out fully. So, but yeah, I still hold on to the hope, which is not good in trading. We know that hope is terrible thing. We should not be hoping for something that market is going to do or won't do. We always need to base our decisions on the analysis. We always need to use proper risk management, and definitely we need to make sure that we are always following our trading plan. And that's why even if these two trades will turn out to be losers, at least I have the piece that I followed my plan. I did what my plan told me to do. I entered the sales when I needed to enter. I entered the buys where I needed to enter. So it's all good. And I think the most
Apologize,
important thing
guys.
is,
Truly, this MT5 is.
yeah, let's not blame the MT5. Let's celebrate. We do have MT5. It's a huge achievement for us as a company.
This is good.
Some don't like it, some like it, and hopefully many will
Bravo
like it
for
and
your trade.
enjoy the MT5. But yeah, the one really, guys, important thing is just let your trades run, and don't get upset in the middle of the trade. And that's why, I always say this. My husband always says, do not spend the money that you don't have, and basically saying, like, you can apply this in so many things. Don't get upset until you have hit that stop loss, or don't start
True.
to celebrate before you have hit that take profit. So it's like,
Celebration.
let's just try to be in the moment and focus on and try and maybe even learn in the middle of the trade. So, and look at that, another great
Nice bounce.
bullish move
Very nice
here.
bounce.
It is a nice bounce, so, and it's good for me. But the thing is, I would love now the highs to be
The
taken,
winner.
because now there is like a resistance forming in here, and I really need for the price to just bounce and start to go more bullish and start to create that new structure, because that's what we are looking for, is to create that, like, that new structure. So, and as a scalpers, I think, like, what I've learned from the last year is that you need to follow the price. You need to really follow the price action, and you need to read it well to understand where the price is going. So for me to see that it has more potential to go bullish if we're going to break like this.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. But until then, nothing we can do.
But guys, this is the market. It can touch the take profit and drop to the stop loss. So
oh no,
be careful.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, this trade also, look, it could go to the stop loss, and it is what it is, because look, it didn't break, it just wicked out. So that's why I say you need to follow the price action. So there might be, a seller somewhere in here selling and wiped by this little wick in here, and now the sellers are so upset because the price is going lower. So, and we buyers were like, why is this going lower? I just want it to go higher. So it's just is that thing of always, one is going to buy, one is going to sell. And that's what the market works. If the more buyers, the price is going up. If the more sellers, the price is going down. So, and that's how it works.
True.
So yeah.
Anyways, right? On my side, I'm happy to use MetaTrader. It gave me all the memories. It wasn't MetaTrader 5 for me. It was oldest version.
Mm-hmm.
So it was
MT4.
When I started, everything was on it. When you had to deposit and blow up my accounts.
Yeah.
It was on MetaTrader.
Yeah.
So this is where I started scalping, day trading, swing in Forex mainly. So and gold, it was a lot of for price for stock market. I've used other platforms more adequate for stock markets, and for crypto same. At the beginning, we didn't have anything on official platforms when the crypto was out. It was very a niche. So guys, gold is dropping. I apologize for your loss.
It's okay. 2 losses. It is what it is. It is what it is, you guys. I really don't think I should turn into a seller now, but maybe I should. So try and sell. But I think I'm done playing that game, Sold in here, got stopped out, bought in here, stopped out. So I think, sometimes we need to know when to give up. We just need to know when to give up. So it is what it is. No, it's not. But you know what? You know what they always say? The market's going to be here today, tomorrow, after tomorrow. So there's no need to freak out or rush or anything like that. The market's going to be here either way.
True. This is true. We'll have a lot of setups.
We have a lot of setups, exactly.
No FOMO, guys.
Yeah.
I'm the expert of no FOMO. I miss so many trades, guys. I just accept it.
Yeah, that is true.
So now it's dropping, and now I will try to catch for a buy.
We'll try to catch for a buy. Nah, I would sell now. I would sell it, but I'm not going to sell simply because I already took 2 trades. I think that's good. That's enough. I'm not going to get another trade, you guys. Like,
you sure you don't want to sell? Look, beautiful is dropping.
I do want to sell, but I am not going to sell. I do want to sell it, but I'm not going to.
Red it is.
But it looks tempting.
You broke a double top.
Yeah, it looks okay. It looks tempting, but at the same time, it's like, I don't want to.
It's risky, guys. It's risky.
For sure.
Anyways, we don't risk much for now because we try to get used to the platform, and then we'll increase the risk more once I'm more at ease with placing my orders, etc.
Yeah,
because it's not the same as C trader. They have to adapt to check the volume, etc. Before I was just adapting to the size of how much I risk per trade. There I have to focus first on the volume, how much I'm gonna put.
Yeah.
But I think I can download some plugin or algo to customize my seed trader to make it more efficient. So I will. I mean my MetaTrader. My bad. So I will look to this to see if I can download some stuff in the MetaTrader to make it more easy for a scalper. So for now, it's more discovery, discovery, and we relearn. So there, guys, as you can see, we had what is this, guys? What is this? Let me check. So we dropped there, and we didn't touch the 50 MA, neither the previous level. So I have to wait for the moment to see to drop lower. I'm not gonna be tempted with the engulfing candle that was trying to make. As you can see, it didn't. So let me draw a rectangle, guys, with this. Let me insert object, forms, rectangle. Oh, by the way, it's in French. I have to put it in. My bad, guys. I will put it in English. It's in French. I forgot. It's yeah. I have to change the language of my MetaTrader. So this is the level I want to bounce on it. Okay. And it's gold, guys. It's gonna take some time. It's not linear. It's not direct. So let me read the comments. With a look in 30-minute chart. Let me check.
They said we bought, like I bought in the fair value gap, the gold. So I probably did, you guys, but I followed my, my strategy. So, so I think that was okay.
Guys, on 30-minute time frame, I see a very strong buy. For me, it's buying strongly there. As you can see, we dropped.
Yeah.
We dropped to the 50 MA almost and touching on the support. We had a very nice engulfing candle green, and the next candle did go above. So for me, it's a nice setup for a buy as a day trade, not a scalp. Let me see the buy on the 5-minute time frame, guys. Wait.
Oh, the gold is probably going to go down, and I'm going to feel a bit of a FOMO now because I didn't enter, but like I explained, you guys, I took one buy, was stopped out, took one sell, was stopped out. So I think I'm good. The gold is not giving me good vibes at all today. Yeah. Anyhow, you guys, we are actually going to cut the stream short. It seems like Amin's internet is not holding up today, and we're going to cut it right here. But later on, hopefully, Amin is going to be live in Discord and X. So please join him in there and just join the community. And guys, I'm so happy that we can celebrate this MT5 add-on into leverage, because I know many of you wanted this, and I'm really excited to see that MT5 is here. And yeah, go and get your MT5 now. You wanted it, you can get it. So thank you guys for today. Oh, I'm missing out on this sale, but it is what it is. It's all good. We're gonna have more trades tomorrow, so take care, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.